Good afternoon. It's Jeffrey at Imagineigo with my daily English diary for Monday, March 2nd. Today is sunny and kind of hot. It's nice after the rainy weekend. I did a little cleaning around the house this morning, and now I'm getting ready for my English lessons tonight. Last Saturday, I was planning a philosophy cafe event with some other teachers. I was looking forward to it. But unfortunately, many people are worried about the new coronavirus. So I canceled the event. I was a little sad, but it's important to protect everyone's health. Tomorrow, I'll try teaching one of my usual English lessons through the internet. We will use an online video meeting app called Zoom. It'll keep everyone safe from spreading any illnesses. I hope it works well for the lesson. I'll keep my fingers crossed. This is my speaking diary of daily life. It's in easy English, so you can enjoy some listening practice and learn some useful daily conversation. The full text is in the description, down here, to improve your reading too. So click subscribe and the bell mark below to catch them all. Stay safe.